Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we are going to talk about some affiliate marketing tips and tricks for beginners. So if you are just starting out, then you want to hear and watch this so you can get ahead of your competition straight away. Now guys, before we get into all of that, if you are starting out with affiliate marketing and you want some extra help and guidance, some A to Z blueprint on how to build your own affiliate marketing business, then I have a completely free 4-day video series where I go in great detail on how to do and build your own business and how to also implement many of the tips we are going to talk about over here. Alright, so if you are interested in that, go ahead, grab it in the link in the description below, and you will get full access to it. Alright guys, so let's get straight into our today's topic, and let's start with the first tip, which is you need to get a product that has a value ladder. Right? Now, value ladder, what does it actually mean? A product that has a value ladder. Now, this is a mistake that I did when I was starting out. I just chose a product without this. Value ladder basically means you have a product that there is a front end, alright, which is the first kind of like the purchase that the customer can make, alright. It can be maybe $10, $20, $50, alright. And then if it has the value ladder, then there are some certain upsells or upgrades to that already made purchase, which means essentially that you can profit on that particular customer over and over and over again. Now, if you are interested in the big commissions, alright, and you want to earn big numbers with affiliate marketing, you need to find a product that has a value ladder. So the value ladder looks something like this, alright. Now, I know it doesn't look anything like a ladder, it's more like a step. Oops. It looks more like a staircase, but just bear with me over here. So here we have our front end product, all right? It can, let's say it will be for $20, okay? You send the traffic, all right, your customer, your viewers, to this particular page or sales page for this particular product. Now let's say the customer buys this product. He then enters this value ladder, which means that the company that owns the product, all right, here is the company that owns the product. This company is going to later on offer this particular person other upgrades or upsells for higher prices, all right. Now obviously it's going to offer some different things which are complementary to this particular product. That means that, for example, the front end product is $20. Over here we will have a product for, let's say, I don't know, let's say $97, okay? Then another one is going to be for $149, alright? Another one is going to be over here for $497, okay? Another one is going to be here for, let's say, $997, okay? I'm making this up a little bit, alright, but you get the idea. So it's constantly growing up and up and up, and the great thing is that you are getting paid for all of these purchases that your customer is making, all right. So you're not only going to make your, let's say, 50% from this $20, you are going to make 50% from this $97, $497, $997 as well, $149 as well, all right. You're going to make commissions from all of these. Alright, so instead of earning $10, you're potentially earning, I don't know, let's say 1,000, alright, around 1,000 potentially, alright. So you want to have a product that has this value ladder, a good one that you can make and profit on it very, very good, right? Now, let's just get this out of our side and let's move on to our second tip, which is going to be building a bridge page. Alright, bridge. Let's call it just bridge. What does it mean, a bridge? What do I mean by bridge? Well, pretty much what does it mean, bridge, is that you bridge the customer, alright? You build a bridge between the customer and the offer, alright? You build something in between where you kind of like implement yourself into the sales process. Alright guys, that means your offer now becomes unique, okay? You cannot just send traffic, the customer, straight to the offer page. It just doesn't really work, right? Because that's if that would work, then the company that wouldn't need the affiliate marketers, all right? You need to implement yourself, stand out from the crowd, and become unique. That's how customers and the viewers will connect with you, and therefore they are going to buy from you. All right. Now, I don't want to really go into too much detail on how to build the bridge page or how it looks like. I have great detail about it in my 4-day video series. So if you're interested, just go ahead and grab it. All right. But the most important thing about the bridge page is that you implement yourself over here. You can either put some value over there, talk about something on a video. You can give something for free, like a cheat sheet or whatever else it might be for the actual viewer, all right? But you need to implement something, somehow yourself into the whole sales process. Okay, guys, that's the number 2 tip we are going to talk about. And our 3rd tip, and I think very, very important and sometimes many times overlooked, is being consistent, all right? Consistency, all right? You need to be, excuse my handwriting, by the way, I know it's really terrible. Sorry about that. So it's consistency, all right? Now guys, I cannot really stress this out enough. You need to be consistent in whatever you're going to do, whatever method, strategy you are going to use for your affiliate marketing. Be consistent about it. If you're going to do organic traffic, all right, which means you're not going to use paid traffic, paid ads, you need to be post whatever. If you're going to use Facebook, Instagram, whatever it might be, social media, be consistent. I cannot stress this out enough. I've seen so many examples of people who were really, really consistent in their posting, in their, being out there every single day, posting out and just engaging with the audience, and they've seen tremendous results. The funny thing about, especially with the organic traffic, is that you're posting, you don't see the results, all right? And you might be like frustrated, like, oh, I don't see the results, Karol, like I don't want to do this, it's just, waste of time. And then suddenly it just exponentially, will grow, all right? You will see the results straight away, all right? And then you will be like, oh my God, where did this happen, right? And it's not just out of nowhere, it's the consistency you've done, because you need to understand that, on the internet there is so many things that people see every single day. So, you posting 1 or 2 posts on Facebook or Instagram doesn't mean anything. But if you do it every single day over some period of time, people will start noticing, all right, I've seen this person somewhere before. I've never actually looked at his post. Let me actually watch it. All right, let me actually click on that link. Let me actually read his post, watch it, whatever it is, all right? And that's how you build that, that consistency that builds your presence, online presence. All right, guys, so these are the top 3 affiliate marketing tips that I wanted to share with you. All of them are super, super important. If you implement all of these 3, you are going to be really, really successful with it. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you get some aha moments. Hope you understand how it all works. All right, if so, give me thumbs up. Let me know in the comments section below. And if you are, again, interested in my 4-day video series where I go in great detail on the bridge page as well as the value ladder and consistency and all of this stuff. Alright, if you want that blueprint and guide on how to build your affiliate marketing business, then go ahead, grab it in the description below. Alright, it's the first link in the description box down below. If so, I will see you inside. If not, completely fine. I wish you a great rest of the week, and I will see you in the next videos. Thank you again, and bye guys.